Hey guys, welcome to the Profitable Traders. Do you want to know how to navigate through TradingView platform? The same platform that I use every day for Forex technical analysis? If your answer is yes, then watch this video till the end. And in this video, you'll expect how to sign up for TradingView platform, how to customize chart layouts in TradingView, how to use TradingView drawing tools, how to use TradingView indicators, how to connect a broker with the TradingView platform, and finally, how to enter trades in TradingView. If this sounds interesting already, then hit that subscribe button and the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of my future uploads. So let's get started. Basically, what you have to do to get started is to go to any search engine and type TradingView. Then click on TradingView. Then you'll have something that looks like this. So you come here and sign in. When you sign in, it will give you options either to log in or to sign up. If you have any Google account, then you can just go here to Google. Then you have to choose an account. The account that I already have here, then you put your password. After you've done that, it will give you this option to put your photo here as your profile picture. Then it will give you the username here. This username, you can change it. The Profitable Traders. The Profitable Traders. Yep. What you do next is to click on the chart. How to customize chart layouts. Click the drop down here and new chart layout. You click that new chart layout. When you click on that new chart layout, it will give you all this one here. What you basically have to do here is to right click on the chart, then come to settings. When you come to settings, then you have these symbols here. We have the status line, scales, appearances, trading, and events. And in the symbols here, you have color bars on previous close. The bodies, if you want the bodies to be green and red, it can be okay. You can change the colors of the bodies. You can put black and white if you want. And see here, the colors change here. You can change green like before and red. The colors of these candles change. You can also change the borders here, the colors of the borders. You can change the colors of the wicks as well. You can put all of them to be black, be like shadows. That's your choice. Or you can keep it to be green and red. Green and red, it's your choice. Now last value line. When you tick this last value line, it will show you a line for the last value. For example, this is what I'm talking about. The last value here is 440.25. If I unclick this one here, it will not show here the line of this value here. If I click here, it shows the line of that value. The bid and ask line, you can tick or you can just leave it like that. Adjust data for dividend. We have here a status line here. We have the symbol here, you know, we have show up market status. It's already clicked. So this one here, by default, they're all being ticked here. We have scales. The scales here, just leave everything here as default, but if you want to make some changes here, you can make as well. We have the appearances, we have the background. The background here, if you want to make it white, then it can be white. If you want to make it black, you can click on black here. If you want to remove these grid lines here, you can just change the color of these grid lines to be the same color of the background. Let's see if I click that, and this is what it is. For the vertical grid lines, for the horizontal grid lines as well, you do the same, so it becomes a plain background without grids here. So, and if you don't want to do that, you can just go back, change everything white, go back, change it white, then you'll have it. But for me, I like to keep my background white and without grids here. Session breaks, scale text, this one here, this is the font size of the scale. If you want to increase the font size of the text, then you can go to 20, you can go to 16, 14, depending on how it suits your eyes. We come here to the trading, show positions, just leave everything here as it is by default. Then we have events here. For me, I just like to leave it here as it is. You can name this chart layout here. What you do, you just click on the drop down and come here to rename. So let me call it the Profitable Traders, TPT, and save it. Everything's being saved now. So how to customize chart layouts? We're done with it. This one here is a volume indicator. If you want to remove it, you can just right click and remove indicators, then it will all be clear. So the next one is how to use TradingView drawing tools. If you look here at the left hand side, these are all the drawing tools here on the TradingView. The first one here is basically your pointer. Here the cross, which is what I'm using currently. You can also use a dot, which is this one here. You can use an arrow that changes the pointer. You can use the eraser as well to erase your drawing tools here. The next one, you have your trend line, your info line, your trend angle. And if you want to use this trend line here, you just click here. The next one is the info line, the same thing. We have this anchored VWAP, we have this horizontal line. If you want to draw your support there, or resistance up here. Or you can use like a vertical line. That is it. You can also change the color of these drawing tools here by clicking on a drawing tool that you desire. You come here to the colors here and you choose, let's say I want to use red, that is it. If I want to use black, that is it. If I want to use blue, that is it. That's how you can change it. And also instead of coming here every time and pick your drawing tool, you can store your favorite drawing tools. Like here, if I store this trend line tool, it comes up here. The same thing, if I come here to my horizontal line, I add it to my favorites. That is it. Horizontal line, horizontal ray, a vertical line, we have an arrow, we have all these flat top, bottom. If I want to use it, that is it. The next one are the pitchfork, and all these that I don't use personally. What I use here, I use Fibonacci retracement. You come here to here, from your low to high here, and you see all these retracements. Let me remove the drawing tools. We have Fibonacci extension. You come to your low to high, then back to low again. That's your Fibonacci extension. And if you want to add them also to your favorites so that you don't have to go back and search for it here, you can just start Fibonacci retracement. We have Fibonacci extension here. Let me come into the Fibonacci retracement. Let me start it as well. So these are my tools that I use. When you come into text, we have text here, we have nodes, we have call out, balloon, price label, auto marker, we have auto mark left, and all these things here. So for the text here, you just click on it and double click on where you want to add text here. Let's say you want to say I'll be going short when the market reaches the resistance level, and you press OK. You can just drag this and put it where you want it to be. Let's say this was our resistance, and you just want to remind yourself so that you make your life easier by writing a text here that I'll be going short when the market reaches the resistance level, and you put your resistance level here. So you'll be waiting, and when it comes here, then you can go short as you've mentioned in your text. The next one here we have these patterns here, the ABCD. We have cipher pattern, we have all this triangle pattern and all that. If you use them, fine. For me, I don't normally use these patterns, but I do use them sometimes when there's a nice setup for them. And if you want to add it on your favorites as well, you can click the star. The next one we have here, we have long position, short position, we have all this data range, price action, data on price range, we have bars pattern, we have Gauss feed. What I normally use here, I use this long position here. For example, if I want to buy here, I can just put my long position tool. Let's say I want to take profits at the previous level of structure, and my stop loss a few pips below the swing low. What this one does here, it shows you your risk to reward ratio. A risk to reward ratio is here. Like for this example, we have 1 to 2.47, this risk to reward ratio here, and it also shows you the target, the pips of the target, and the pips at your stop loss. And this is the risk to reward ratio tool. For the sale example, it is short position. You can click on it as well, and let's say you wanted to short your market from this side here. Then you have your stop loss above your swing high and your take profit. Let's say it is at 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. So this is how you would use these tools here. You have all these tools here. You have the arrows and all the flags, the thumbs up, thumb down. We have all these one here if I don't use them myself. And we have this one here is a measuring tool. It's a measuring tool. It measures the pips, and it measures the bars, it measures the days in a specific period of time. Like here, if I click on this measuring tool, I can just click here and say from this time up to here how many pips. We have about 1008 pips. how many bars? We have about 40 bars. How many days? We have 57 days. Another way you could use this as well, you can just press your shift, right click, and you drag it. This is the shortcut that you could use it as well. This one is zoom here. If you want to zoom in, you just click on it, you highlight where you want to zoom in, and there it is. If you want to zoom out, you can just click that and it is zoomed out. This one here is magnet mode is on. I don't use this tool here. I don't know what it's used for. Another tool here is stay in drawing tool. Stay in drawing tool here keeps you in drawing mode. For example, if I want to draw higher highs and higher lows here on a clean chart, I would do this one here, then come back again and press here, then come back here and go up here, which is time consuming. But with this tool here, if you just turn it on and you just click here, you don't need always to go back and click on the same trend line tool here. You can just keep pressing and enjoy the ride. You know what I'm saying? And enjoy your ride. This is one of my favorite tools that I do use when I'm drawing. The next is how to use TradingView indicators. The TradingView has indicators. Here you can come here to indicators, you double click on it and it will give you options. You have built-in candlestick patterns, you have public library, you have my scripts and volume profile. So what you do, and here also you have an option to search any indicator that you want. Let's say you want to search for ATR, average true range. So if you search for it, it brings the ATR here, indicator. So you click on it and you have your ATR indicator here. An ATR indicator, this is the value. The value of the ATR is shown here, and when you move your pointer on these candlesticks, then the value of ATR keeps on changing. Let's say you want to add a moving average. You can come here and search your moving average. Here it will give you options. We have this your simple moving average, we have moving average exponential, we have other moving averages as well. But let's say we go to moving average exponential and you click on it. Here it brings here your moving average exponential. You can also change the length. Let's say it's 100 moving average, and here it's 100 moving average. And if you want to hide this one here without moving it, you can just come here and press hide. It's hidden. If you want to turn it on, you can come here and it is on. And also, let's say you have your favorite indicator so that you don't have to go back and search here. So what you can do, let's go to the moving average exponential. You add to favorites here by clicking on the star. Let's say your ATR is your favorite as well. You just add it here. That's ATR is being added also. Let's say MACD. You can add your MACD here as well to your favorites. And when you come here, you have your average to range here. You have your MACD, your moving average, you know, and it makes your life simpler. The next one is how to connect a broker to the TradingView platform. Now, connecting a broker to the TradingView platform, this this is just a charting platform, it's not a broker. So what you have to do, if you want to connect your platform with your broker, you come down here, trading panel. When you click on the trading panel, it will give you paper trading, the first option. If you want, it's like a demo. If you want to trade demo, you have Owanda, you have FXCM. And if you want to connect here, you just come press connect. Let's say it's Owanda, you can just connect Owanda. You can go either live or demo. If it is live, you just click here on this box and continue. When you continue, it will give you an option of putting your username and password. The same thing applies, and the same thing applies here as well to the paper trading. But for this example, let me take you to paper trading to tell you connect, and there you are. It will give you about $10,000, $100,000. You can begin trading with that as in your demo account. Or if you want something reasonable, you could go back here and change this one here to, let's say, 5,000. If you want to be trading with 5,000 as a demo, so that when you go live, you could put 5,000 in your live account. And if you want to place trades, let's say this is your Apple stock, if you want to place trade, you just right click, come here to trade. You have these options: you buy limit, you sell stop, or you create new order. This is what you have. You can trade with the market, or you put the limit order or the stop order, and you have sell here and buy here. And with this example, let's say we wanted to sell here, so you come here, sell, and you have this one, you come to sell. And the good thing here, you can put any percentage of your account that you want to trade with, either 1%, 2%, or 0.5%. You can put it. It's much easier here on TradingView platform than going to calculate the pips and everything. And what you can do here, you can bring go short tool, let's say this is your stop loss, and this would be your take profit. So your stop loss is here, this is the value. You come here to price and you put in 465.49. oh, this one is take profit. Take profit is here, the green shaded value here, which is 358.07, and your stop loss is here, which is here, the red shaded value, which is 465.49. I can just press place trade here, and there you are in the trade. You're now in the trade here. This is your stop loss, this is your take profit, and this is how you would guys, this one is this is paper trading, that's why I'm placing trades here. Don't do this. And how when it's a live account. If you have watched up to this end, then I have a bonus for you, and the bonus is how to create a new watch list. By coming here, you can clear everything, or create a new watch list, like here. With this one here, you need to have a pro account. What you can do here, you just clear the list so that you remain with nothing here, and you can add euro dollar, USD, We have for FXCM, we have for Owanda. We'll go with FXCM. We have dollar Swiss. I'll go with FXCM. We have a dollar yen. I'll go with FXCM. We have pound dollar, Great Britain pounds, and dollar. I'll go with FXCM. So this is how you would create a new watch list, and you can also name this watch list. With this one here, you need to have a pro account. You need to have a paid version of this TradingView platform. So that's how it is. Another bonus that I want to show you is that when you have your drawing tools here, let's say you have this one, the horizontal drawing tool, instead of going back again and draw it somewhere, you can just copy it. You can either right click on it, you copy or clone, and you have it here, or you can just press Control copy, then Control V, then it will give you so many of them. Like here, you see all these. So this is how you could do it as well. Let me remove all the drawing tools and the indicators. So guys, this is all that I want to share with you concerning this TradingView platform. If you have benefited from this video, press that like button to help me with the YouTube algorithm. Hit subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet, or if you're new, and that notifications bell so that you'll be alerted whenever a new video is uploaded. And thank you guys for watching. See you next time.